Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to lock row height in Excel. Okay. Now see this height. Okay. Click the icon. Select alignment protections. You lock this protection. You simply deselect lock. Click OK. Go to review. Protect sheet. Select all. Select all functions. Okay, you simply deselect format rows. Now click OK. Now see this, you lock row height. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.